Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start affiliate marketing with ShareASale easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start affiliate marketing with ShareASale, first, visit the ShareASale website. Click on the sign up button to create your affiliate account. Fill in the required information, including your payment details and tax information. Once your application is submitted, wait for ShareASale to approve your account. After receiving approval, log in to your ShareASale dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface to understand where everything is located. Next, search for merchants that match your niche or interest. Browse through the list of available programs and click on those that appeal to you. Read the program details to understand their commission structure and terms. After identifying a suitable program, apply to become an affiliate for that merchant. Wait for the merchant to approve your application. Once approved, access your unique affiliate links from your dashboard. Copy the affiliate links to use in your promotional content. Choose the platforms where you will promote your affiliate links, such as a blog, social media, or an email newsletter. Create engaging content that seamlessly incorporates your affiliate links. Make sure to disclose your affiliate relationships transparently to your audience. Monitor your ShareASale dashboard regularly to track clicks, conversions, and earnings. Experiment with different promotional strategies to see what works best. Continuously optimize your efforts based on performance data. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools in affiliate marketing to improve your skills. This step-by-step approach will help you start affiliate marketing successfully with ShareASale. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.